Welcome students again to my online channel topbrand.online in the session 3rd of class 4 maths. In this session we will study about the different patterns made with the help of bricks, and we also start the NCERT books in this session. We will study about the different wall pattern, jali patterns and the special patterns like Jharokha, arc, which is made with the help of bricks. In this chapter we will also study about the triangular structure or triangular pattern formed with the help of bricks. Now students, come into the classroom. Welcome students into the classroom. Now we will go through the first chapter of NCERT book, Building with Bricks. I have already given the concept needed to understand this chapter through the videos. Watch these videos on YouTube channel topbrand.online. In this chapter we will study about the different patterns or designs and structural designs like jali, arches, jharokha made with bricks. Now come to the chapter Building with Bricks. This is your first page of the chapter Building with Bricks. See, this is a picture. Observe this picture. This is a tomb called as Old Tomb of Murshid Quli Khan, which is situated in Murshidabad of West Bengal. In this tomb, different patterns of floors were made. So observe this pattern. See this pattern. You can also see this figure in your book. And this floor pattern. Observe this floor pattern. See the arrangement of bricks. This is the arrangement of bricks. And here, see what a beautiful arrangement of bricks here. And this, and in this figure number 5, observe the arrangement of bricks. This bricks, observe this arrangement. Later you will find this type of arrangement in arc. This is called as arc. Now come to the question. Question is asking, which floor pattern do you like the most? So it is up to you which floor pattern you like. Write your answer here. Have you seen such pattern anywhere? Have you seen this type of pattern anywhere? If you have seen, then write in your notebook. I have seen this pattern in my old home. Now observe this floor pattern. Nowadays you will not find this type of floor pattern, but you can see this floor pattern in old monuments, tomb, and in old buildings in village areas. So observe this floor pattern. Now the floor pattern you have seen earlier is made in a part, separate part. Observe first part A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. First observe A, B and C part. See the arrangement of bricks in this arrangement. D, E, F, G, H part. See in picture D, E and F. In picture G, H, I and G and K. See this arrangement. what do you observe in this picture J? The bricks are arranged in circular form. Now the first question is, which pattern is made in a circle? So you can easily identify among these pictures in which bricks are arranged in a circular way. So, and second question is, in which pattern can you show mirror halves? Draw a line. So again observe this figure A, B, C, D, E, F, in which you are finding the mirror half. Observe these flower pattern A, B, C, D, E and F. And again these flower pattern G, H, I, J and K. Now observe this figure which you have already learned in class 3rd. In these figures there are some figures which are mirror half of each other. So first observe this figure. This part and this part are same. So, and this is the line which divide these figure into two equal halves. So this is called mirror half of each other. Similarly, this figure, this line divides it into two equal part, that is same parts. So this figure, this part and this part is called mirror half of each other. It is clearly shown from the picture. The picture J is made in a circle. So second question, in which pattern can you show mirror halves? Draw a line. I have already told you the concept of mirror halves, so do it yourself. Now you draw some new flower pattern. So draw a flower pattern and show me. Now come to this page. How to draw a brick? Brick, as we know that brick is a form of a cuboid. Now I am showing you how to draw a brick with the help of rectangle. Now this is a brick. Now similarly you can draw a brick and you will find here the three sides of the brick. This is the first side, second side and third side. This is one face, second face and third face. So you can see a maximum 3 faces of a brick at a time. It is not possible to see 4 faces of a brick at a time or of a cuboid. Now come to the textbook. Here see a picture of brick. This is a picture of brick. Question is, circle the brick showing its 3 faces. How many faces in all does a brick have? As we know that a brick have 6 faces. Is any face a square? No. Draw the smallest face of the brick. So draw a smallest face of the brick by yourself. I think this is the smallest face of the brick. Which of these are the faces of a brick? So you can do it yourself. And which of these is a drawing of a brick? You can easily find which is the drawing of a brick. Is this a drawing of a brick? No. Is this a drawing of a brick? No. So from this figure you can easily find which is the drawing of a brick. Now make a drawing of this box to show 3 of its faces. As we know that your geometry box is in the shape of a cuboid. There is the round corners of this box. So roughly you make a cuboid showing its 3 faces, as I have already made. See, this is a cuboid showing its 3 faces, first, second, third. Similarly you make the box. Now I am trying to make the box. This is 3 faces of a box. Now come to the textbook. Can you make a drawing of a brick which shows 4 of its faces? No. Now these are the wall made by the Janeb and Munia. Can you tell me which is stronger? Decide by yourself. In my opinion, Janeb wall is more stronger. In my opinion, Janeb wall is more stronger due to its arrangement of bricks in a particular pattern. Now observe different wall patterns given in this picture. Now match these figures with the picture given below. So do it yourself. I am doing one for you. I think this picture match with this picture.